Hi guys, Merry Christmas. It's almost Christmas, can you believe it? I've been out and about all day today, finishing up. I really have had a wonderful time shopping for my grandchildren. You guys, this is the first year ever that I decided not to buy my adult children gifts. Last year, it was just like when they were little. Like I would get them their gifts and I'd think, Matthew needs one extra thing. So then I'd get him one extra thing. Then I'd think, oh, I need to get that for Micah. Or Alexandra needs this. And I've always been pretty bad about, especially when they were little, like 20 presents a piece. And even since they've been adults, I have just kept doing it. And my sister really never has. And she was like, why do you put yourself through it? It's so much work. And you know what? I took her advice and decided just to buy for the grandchildren, and it was so much easier. And I'm really looking forward to Christmas this year because last year, I was telling Dawn today on the phone, last year basically sucked for me, Christmas. And my kids came, and after everybody left, I just started crying. And he said, it was a good Christmas. What's wrong? And I said, it just felt so empty because my mom, you know, he was trying to cheer me up. But this year, you guys, I'm really ready to have a good Christmas with my family. And we're just going to play a bunch of games. We're just having like Caesar salad and pizza and lots of yummy treats, lots of sweets. And we're just going to have a lot of fun. We have a door prize. Lots of games we're going to play. It's going to be so much fun, you guys. So I'm really looking forward to Christmas this year. I took the hustle and bustle out of it for myself. And you guys, I'm so glad that I did. We're very generous with our children, adult children, for their birthdays. But Christmas is just so much going on. And I want it to be about family and love and togetherness. And that's what I chose to do. And I wish I had listened to my sister years ago, you guys. I just thought she was awful. But now I see what she's always been trying to tell me. It's so much more fun when you don't have to run yourself to death and spend every penny you have trying to get gifts for adult kids who really, my children, they don't even want it. My daughter has been telling me for years, stop doing this. We're adults. And yeah, so anyway, it's all about the grandchildren, their gifts. And it's funny because Evan is, well, he's a grown-up, but he's still my grandchild, but all the rest of them are little. So, but I had a good time shopping for them. Okay, guys, today's video is all about some beautiful, beautiful jewelry. And the name of the company, you guys, I've worked with them several times in the past, Read Your Heart. And I'm not kidding when I tell you, the jewelry from this company knocks it out of the ballpark. I'm a huge fan. They do send me free jewelry, and like the jewelry that I will be sharing with you today was gifted to me, and thank you so much, Read Your Heart. I love your jewelry and I love to promote it, and I get lots of offers to promote jewelry, clothes, lots of things. I usually turn them down because number one, I don't think it really vibes with my channel. And number two, I don't want to mess with it. If it's not something that I'm not passionate about, like the website, you guys check it out. And I also have a discount code, and everything is listed in my description box. You get 15% off. They're always having sales. And I think it's YOTA15. I think that's right. But check my description box for the discount code and check out the website, you guys. It's fabulous, fabulous jewelry. And actually, this bag I keep holding up, this is my mother-in-law's Christmas gift. And it was something that I had my eyes on. And before I show you the jewelry that they sent me, Read Your Heart sent me, before I share with you the jewelry that Read Your Heart sent me, let me share with you this, because I got this for my mother-in-law, but it's something that I had my eyes on, and I purchased it for myself with my discount code, and I'm going to share it with you now, and then I'll share with you the new jewelry that they sent me. Alright guys, when I tell you this jewelry is undetectable when it comes to their moissanites, you even get the certificate of authenticity that tells all about the moissanite versus a diamond. So you get all this information with it. You get a cleaning cloth, and the presentation is beautiful. And of course, I love this Tiffany blue color. But when I tell you it is undetectable, I mean it. And that is why I stick with Read Your Heart, and I hope to work with them for many years to come because I'm a huge fan, and I actually bought jewelry from them before they ever contacted me. So yeah, I don't do this often, but you guys, I really believe in their jewelry. Okay, so this is what we got Keith's mom, and I also got myself one, and they run sales all the time, so I went ahead and got myself one because it was buy one, get one free. So what was a girl to do? I had to get it. So it's actually a long necklace. Let me pull it out of here and share it with you. And it's dainty, but I think it has a beautiful presence. I love that long necklaces are coming back. I think statement necklaces are coming back this year. Big bags are coming back this year. So this is a long necklace, and I'm gonna put it on a little necklace holder. That way you can see it better. All right, this is the necklace, and each one of these little stations is a moissanite, and they sparkle so beautifully. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it picks up, you know, on the video, but I love it. And I love that it's long. So if I had on like a long black turtleneck, just something really plain, I could wear it long, or I could wear it like this, which is probably how I will wear it. I think that look is just so pretty. And I think looks like this are coming back for this year. But yeah, it's sterling silver and moissanite. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. And then I also have some earrings. One of these days I'll bring out all of my Read Your Heart jewelry and share it with you because I have quite a few pieces. But the diamonds or the moissanite earrings will set this necklace off. So this is my beautiful necklace that I did purchase with my own money. So I'll put it right there. You guys really do need to check out the website if you want to buy something special for somebody for Christmas, birthday, just any kind of gift giving occasion. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I had 3 packages that they sent me. So we're gonna open up this one. I'm not sure which one this one is. I do have one that I opened up already myself, but I'll share that with you last. Okay, so let's reach in and see what is in this. So here you have the Read Your Heart box. And as I said, it's almost like going to Tiffany. Not that I have ever purchased anything from Tiffany. I never have, really. But anyway, why should I when I can go to Read Your Heart? But I love the color. I love the packaging. All right, so we have some earrings in here, and they're always in these little plastic cases, so I'm gonna take them out and share them with you. Okay guys, so this is a beautiful emerald necklace, and I put this here because it's not going to show up behind that black. So let's go ahead, and that's the cloth that comes with it, and it's on a sterling silver chain, and I would say that's probably about, I don't know, 6 or 8 carats. I'm not sure, but it's absolutely beautiful, and it's that dark, rich emerald green that just looks undetectable. So it's absolutely beautiful. You would never know that it was a lab created. Now this one doesn't have moissanite on it, but it's sterling silver, and it's a really large chunky stone. All right, so the next one that I'm going to show you, the one I had opened up and looked at, is this ring. Now the thing is, it's light. It's very, very pretty, but I would have liked it a lot better if it were the dark color, like the earrings and like this necklace. You see, it's a lighter color, but it's very beautiful. It's got very large sparkly moissanites. There's actually 2 of them on each side. Hold on. See? Right there. And it's a beautiful, beautiful ring. Like kind of like a cocktail ring. Now this ring I would wear with my overalls. So I'm wearing my beautiful Hermes ring today. I'm going to take it off and put this one on and show you what it looks like on my hand. Okay. It's really pretty. It's too big for this finger actually. I think my fingers are shrinking. But it's really, really pretty. I just think I would like it a lot more if it were dark. Like this one and like these earrings. I don't know why this one is lighter, but it is really pretty, but I can't wear it like this. Let's see if it'll go. This hand, I could wear it on this finger. Yeah, I would wear it like that. So yeah, oh, that's perfect. I kind of like it on that hand. But it's a lighter, emerald, but it's beautiful. I just prefer the dark, but it is beautiful. It's well made. There's nothing that I've ever gotten from them that I haven't loved. This may be my least favorite only because I thought it was going to be dark green, but again, some people might like the lighter green. Let me just hold them up. Let me kind of do that. You see? You see that? This one's a lot darker, and so are my earrings, and this one is lighter. Now, I'll still wear them together, and as I said, I have another pair of emerald earrings that I got from Read Your Heart, and they're just round, kind of like diamonds, but they're emeralds with diamonds around them, and they're dark. But this green is more of a Kelly green, or the ring is, and this is more of a really dark, rich emerald green. So I just wanted to point that out because it may not matter to you. It doesn't matter to me. I just was expecting it to be the same like these, but I love everything I've ever gotten from them. And you guys, I urge you to check them out because why spend big money on diamonds and when you can get something like this? You know, I know that Winnie works with some really nice reputable companies as well, and she has some beautiful jewelry. I put all that together. But I don't know, you guys. I have my wedding set. I really have no desire for diamonds, mine-made diamonds. You know, even the diamonds made, like the, what is that brand? Idol? That brand, that is super expensive. These are Idol, well, these, and they're tiny. They sent me some when I worked with them at one point. I don't even think it's showing up. They're so tiny. But anyway, guys, I want a tennis bracelet and I'm gonna go Read Your Heart. Now they have some cheaper ones and they have some more expensive ones, and I want a really nice tennis bracelet, and I don't want a diamond tennis bracelet from the mine or something that I have to pay thousands of dollars worth. And I think the highest one that I saw on Read Your Heart was like $9.99. And then you can use my code. So you guys, I urge you to check out the website. You will be so happy that you did. And anybody that you're purchasing this jewelry for will absolutely love it. So again, check out my description box. Use my code, and yeah, stock up on some beautiful jewelry. That's pretty together. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep it on like that. That's so, so pretty. I mean, I love it. I'm not saying I don't. It's just lighter, and I think it's very pretty as a pretty cocktail ring, and yeah, I would wear this on an everyday basis. But anyway, you guys, check them out, and thank you so much, Read Your Heart, for giving me the opportunity to work with you again. I rave about your jewelry all the time. So yeah, guys, hop online and go shop. Oh yeah, when I was pointing this Idol's jewelry, these little studs, here's one. This is also Idol, this ear cuff. And I looked on the website and this ear cuff was $895. You guys, I never would have purchased it, but they sent it to me. And then I have this little stud. I also got the necklace and the little add-ons. And then the other I put here in my tragus. So, but anyway, I was just gonna point out the price because this little ear cuff, $895. So that's why I'm saying, you guys, Read Your Heart. I didn't see any ear cuffs, but maybe one day they'll come out with some. Read Your Heart. We love a good sparkly ear cuff. But anyway, guys, that's really all I have for you today. Tomorrow is my family Christmas. I really love you guys. I thank you for all of your support this year. I have so many great friends in my family here on YouTube, and I'm always saying, come on, join my fam jam, help me get to 7K. But I really appreciate my friends here that have supported me this year, and I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas, and I really do hope to be back again tomorrow. Peace. 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 Peace.